Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So if you are a fan of the Ratatouille movie like me, then you must have seen Remy making the famous Ratatouille or Confit Byaldi at the end scene, and I loved it, and that movie inspired it so much that I always wanted to make Ratatouille. So here it is. I have made this Ratatouille and which turned out to be super amazing. It was very delicious and it has the goodness of veggies. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first let's take 5 tomatoes and make cross on the bottom of the tomatoes like so. Now add them into the boiling water and let them sit there for around a minute. After that, take the tomatoes out and let them cool down a little. Now peel the outer layer of the tomatoes and remove the eye part. Do the same for all the tomatoes and then chop them into pieces. Just roughly chop them because we are anyway going to blend them. Now the next step is to roast the bell peppers. For that, in a stand I have taken 2 bell peppers here, one red and one yellow. Let's roast them till they are brown from all sides or charred from all sides. Our bell peppers are perfectly charred now. Let them cool down and then remove the outer charred part. After removing the charred part, just roughly chop them up. Also remove the seeds of the bell peppers and keep it aside. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and heat it well. After that, add 7 to 8 pods of garlic. I have finely chopped them, and 1 thin sliced onion. You can just roughly chop the onions also. Saute them till they are translucent and then add the chopped tomatoes. Mix and cook them for a while and then add salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, few basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of thyme and few coriander leaves with stem. Give it a good mix and then allow it to cool down. After it's completely cooled down, transfer it to a blender jar. Also add the chopped bell peppers and blend them into a puree. Let it be super smooth. Now let's chop the veggies. Here I have taken eggplant, zucchini, yellow zucchini and tomato. Just thinly slice all of them. Here I am slicing up the eggplant first. After slicing up the eggplant, make sure to keep it in a water bath so that it doesn't turn black. Now let's slice up the tomatoes also. After that, for slicing the yellow zucchini and the normal zucchini, I am using a grater here. So it makes super thin slices. Now let's assemble all of them. Just spread a layer of the sauce we made on the bottom of a glass baking dish. And then let's take 4 of the veggies we chopped. Just layer them like so. I am making 8 of them at once and spreading it on the sauce like so. Just spread all the veggies till it is fully covered. Now let's make a topping. For that, in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, half teaspoon thyme, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Mix everything well. Now add this topping on top of the veggies so that the veggies are well seasoned also. Now add a butter paper on top and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes while covering, and then uncover and bake for 20 minutes more. So our Confit Byaldi or Ratatouille is perfectly cooked and ready to be served. So serve it hot with a side of the sauce. I have served it like the way Remy served in the movie, and this tasted so good. You would never imagine the taste of it. So do try it out and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.